Eto, andito na naman tayo sa tourism challenge ni Edwin. Eto, pupunta kami sa malaking bahay. Eto yung bagong bahay na nabili ni Edwin.
Hindi yan bago. Lumang bahay.
Lumang bahay na nabili ni Edwin. Kasama na pati multo. Yan.
Open, ayan o. Open.
Dito nagdaan sila eh.
Saan nagdaan? Dito?
Dito. Labas.
Sa likod.
Ano ba yan?
Ito yung historic Stewart Farm. Pasok kami. Ito Ay, dito tayo mag-start. Yeah. Mga old mobile.
And you can see on the table here, like earlier said, Josh Dirk, they immigrated from Scotland, while Annie Valley is also Scottish heritage, but they came earlier to Canada. And on the table also you can see here, you see the china set, very nice china set. So originally, it was just blank white. It was a wedding gift, so
May lalaking nag-explain dito kung ano tong bahay na to.
but originally it was just plain white. Plain white, didn't have a drawing here, but Annie Stewart had it commissioned to be hand painted with the birds and flowers and everything you see on it there. Yeah, yeah. And here is the green tinted glass. So it's green tinted because back then in the 19th century, Victorians, they thought that radiation was good for health. So they thought, let's put radiation in everything we can, including glass. And that's why it's simply green. And I think it's about health and radiation. It's not like traditional piano where, I can play keys by just play a few notes by hitting the keys, right? Instead, it's an organ where I have to sit down here, pedal air into it.
Ano kaya yung pie na yun? Original na nakahain or panahon pa ng ano?
Sorry? Yes, you can try if you want.
Ito. Yan ang mga maganda. Original. Yun ang heater nila. Nakaano sa dingding. Old piano. Yan. Oven.
No shower there, but it's a bathtub, and
This is a certificate of marriage.
well, yes, that is a wash tub, and it's another one over by the laundry area. They would fill up the tub maybe once a month, and then each of the kids in order.
Ito yung labahan nila. Tingnan mo.
The dirtiest bath water, and that's where the saying comes, don't throw the baby in the bath water. Missing there. And such, because you don't want the kids wandering around in the middle of the night. And they would keep all their the top buried. Some of the
Ito yung kitchen.
was brought over and probably made their way into one
Ito ang washroom. May bathtub. Original.
That was in the bathroom.
Map.
It was right on the corner there. Yeah, you continue to do that.
Okay.
And feel free to go upstairs. And sometimes they, I don't know what that one does, but sometimes they hold out to be a table.
Stock room siguro to. O pantry na tinatawag.
And the phone number was Westington 6.
Cake box.
want to eat it, you still want to live there.
When that party night.
Tayo taas. Medyo makipot.
Ano nga ng tubig?
Imagine mo tayo, paano mo may akit ang gamit sa ganitong hagdan.
Paikot eh. Aray ko. Hoy, wag kang manghawak ng puwet ha. Rocking chair. Ito, baka meron kang ano.
Eh, kung alam, puro ganyan ang lamp eh.
Ayan ang lamp.
Ayun yung hat.
Ay, hindi yan. Ayan yung hato.
Diba?
Ang daming na ba?
Ayun yung sinasabi mo. Ayan.
Nadagdagan. Arino nga.
Ito.
Yan yan. Panlabas yan, float.
Yung hat.
Ito.
Naiwan pa silang mga gamit dito. Rocking chair.
Teddy bear mo.
Ayun.
Just imagine, nakip nila tong lugar na to. Ito sa mga bata. Oh. May bata pang naglalaro dito. Yung nasa rubber ngayon, heater, water heater,
yung,
mga
parang,
ganoon.
hot compress?
Yes, yun yun noon. Ngayon, pag pinukpok sa ulo mo yan, tulog ka kung hindi ka makatulog. Ayun, mga antique. This one, di ba meron?
Oh.
I do not see hair curlers.
Oh, it is in the washroom.
Downstairs? Hair curlers?
Yeah.
Oh,
Curling iron?
no, well, it's probably in the same place. Oh, yeah,
In the
maybe.
washroom. Yes.
Downstairs.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, this is my house.
Oh.
I've sold it outside, but I
Baba na kami.
Oh, antayin na lang ako dito.
Why? We're going to... Ito, nasa labas na kami ng bahay. So, let us see. Malawak ang ano nila. Ito yung original ano, oh, baka meron ka. Ito. Poso. Original na poso noon, oh. Tignan nyo. Papunta tayo sa barn. May nagpipiknik dito.
Andito ang lantern.
Oo. Antik. Mga antik talaga. Nasaan ang lantern? Ito. Yung lampara. Noon pa.
Hindi ko makita itong water can na ito. Ayun, Filipino? Oh. You have this?
Oh, ito naman. May oat barley. Ayan, yan.
Yung watering can sa our garden daw yun, sabi niya.
This is a barn though. Where did you?
Bucket.
Mga antik na ano, oh. Wow, eh. Labas na naman kami. Punta kami doon. Oh, mayroong ano dito, oh. Ang old house. Siguro wala nang mga kamag-anak kaya ginawa ng ano nila.
Water can.
Tingnan ko pa.
Tapos na?
Win, ano yun? Ito pala yung pinasok nila. May water can daw. Ang ganda oh. Ano kaya yun? Ayan oh. Meron pa yata silang ginawa dito. Ang laki nitong looban nila. Maganda dito. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Laki ng bahay niya. Very nice house. Kung ilang pong taon na to, pero nakit pa rin nila.
Hirap to, walang washroom.